Hi everyone, Russell Crutcher from Baum, Chevrolet Buick in Clinton, Illinois. Hey guys, real quick, we've gotten a lot of requests for the valet feature on your vehicle. So today I want to cover it real briefly, what the valet feature does and how to use it on your car. So first and foremost, you'll go to your settings on your vehicle. You'll hit the vehicle tab and you'll toggle down to the bottom where it says valet mode. Tap on valet mode. And at this point, you're going to create a 4-digit PIN code. It can be whatever 4-digit PIN code you would like. For the sake of demonstration, we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to hit enter. It will ask you to confirm that code so that it is a definite for sure on that number. Enter it a second time, hit lock. And when you do, it's going to lock your screen up so that if anyone's valet parking your vehicle, they can't get in, turn your radio stations, or adjust any of your vehicle settings on your car. So again, valet mode. Thanks again, Russell Crutcher from Baum Chevrolet Buick.